Ever pondered the secret to crafting the perfect pork chops complete with all the trimmings? Well, wonder no more. Today, we unravel the mystery behind this delectable dish, breaking it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First, gather all your ingredients. For the pork chops, you need 2 bone-in pork chops, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, and a sprig of fresh rosemary. For the sides, we'll be preparing a creamy mashed potato and some sautéed vegetables. You'll need 4 large potatoes, a 1/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, salt to taste, and a mix of your favorite vegetables. Start by seasoning your pork chops. Rub them generously with salt, pepper, and olive oil. Heat a skillet over medium heat, add your pork chops, and sear them until they're a beautiful golden brown. This should take about 5 minutes on each side. Once they're seared, add your garlic and rosemary to the pan and continue to cook for another 5 minutes. Your pork chops are now ready. While your pork chops are sizzling away, get started on your sides. Peel and quarter your potatoes and add them to a pot of boiling water. Cook until they're soft and easily pierced with a fork. Drain the water, add your milk, butter and salt, and mash until creamy. Next, heat a pan over medium heat, add a dash of olive oil and toss in your vegetables. Sauté them until they're tender and lightly browned. Now, it's time to plate up. Lay a generous spoonful of mashed potato on the plate, place your beautifully cooked pork chop on top, and arrange your sautéed vegetables on the side. There you have it, a perfectly cooked pork chop with all the trimmings. It's a simple, hearty meal that's sure to impress. Remember, the key to a great pork chop is in the sear. Get that right and you're halfway there. So, next time you're in the mood for something savoury and satisfying, give this recipe a try. It's a guaranteed crowd pleaser, whether you're cooking for 2 or 20. Enjoy the process, savour the flavours, and most importantly, have fun with it. Because after all, the joy of cooking comes not only from the delicious food you create, but also from the love and care you put into it. So, go ahead, don your chef's hat and get cooking. Bon appétit!